How to turn on ringer on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on ringer on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll actually need to turn off your mute switch. So as you can see right here, this is the mute switch. It's on the left hand side of your iPhone. So make sure that it is on this. You have just pulled it up like this to make it on the ring mode. If it's down like this and you can see a little red line, it's on the silent mode. Make sure that it is on the ring mode, and after you've done that, you can head over to your settings. On your settings, you can actually see your sounds and haptics. Head over there, and after you're on sounds and haptics, you can simply change the ringtone. Make sure that it is turned up all the way, and after you've done that, you should be good to go. So let me do that, and that's the first thing. Now the second thing is you can actually turn off your DND. For that, swipe down from the top right corner, and there you will see this button right here. Make sure that it is turned off, not this one. Just make sure that it is turned off like this, and after that you will have turned on your ringer on iPhone. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.